So everybody should open the page number 35. In the last class, we were doing the question and we done the half question. Now we are completing our question. The question is telling us about name the devices corresponding to the given clues. There are some hints given. What those hints are? Some hints are given, like 8 hints are given, and we are done with some of them. So let me write those names which we already done. Dash is the device used to play video games. Which device we use? We use joystick. We use joystick. Okay. So in the last class we already done that. I am just writing it for those if somebody missed the answer so that they can write. Dash responds to the touch. It's a touch screen. It's a touch screen because whenever we are touching that screen, it will give us a response. Copies an image from a paper to the computer. It's a scanner. It's a scanner. And dash is used to type text. Now from 4 we are going to start. Let's see what is the answer for the question number 4. Now question number 4. The hint number 4 is asking that which device we use to type. It's very easy. Let me write it for you. Good. Yeah, it's very easy. It's a keyboard. It's a keyboard. Keyboard and mouse. Remember, these are the two basic components because without mouse and without keyboard, it's impossible to use the computer. It's impossible to use the computer without the keyboard and the mouse. Okay. So now question number 5 or the hint number 5. The hint number 5 or question number 5 is telling us that dash prints a hard copy. Which device prints a hard copy? As you know, the device which prints a hard copy, we can touch that device and we can also touch that hard copy. Hard copy is the permanent one, like your book, like the paper you are getting, the words are written on it. You can touch that paper or words, but you can't change it. It's a permanent copy. Hard copy is a permanent copy. You only read it, touch it, but can't change it. What is the name of that device? Okay. Only 3 students give the answer till now. It's Eham, Ahmad Jibreel, Ayad Khalid. Only three. And all three give the correct answer, including Karim Nasir. So let me give you the hint. The name of the device, the name of that device starts with this letter. If you see the arrow on my screen, you will get to know that the name of this device starts from this letter. Yes, very good, Abdul Hamid, Jihad Muhammad, Jihad Al Sayyed. That's good. So, till now, 8 students pick up the hint for that. Okay. Abdullah Al Jalum, excellent. What about the others? Ahmad Musa, nice. So, waiting for the others. It's very easy. The name of that device starts with P. And one more thing, all the students who give the correct answer, all of them write a correct spelling of that device also. Excellent, excellent. Okay. So dash prints a hard copy. Dash prints a hard copy. The name of that device starts with P and name of that device is a printer. Name of that device is a printer. Okay. So let me ask a spelling of a printer. Okay. Ayad Ghalib. Are you listening me, Ayad Ghalib?
Yes, yes.
Ayad, can you tell the class that what is the spelling of printer?
Binta. Binter.
Okay,
Binters.
that's good, Ayad Khalid. So that's great. That's good, Ayad. Okay. So Ayad told us about the spelling of printer. Okay, Amro. Amro, are you listening to me? Amro, are you there?
Yes.
Amro, can you tell us the spelling of printer? Like Ayad told us the spelling.
Printer.
Excellent, excellent. You both guys give the splendid job. Very well done. So Ayad Ghalib and Amro both tell the spelling. And let me take more students' name. It's Ahmad Awal, Kareem Muhammad, Ahmad Usama, Abdullah Al Julum, Jihad Al Sayyed, Jihad Muhammad, Abdul Hamid, Kareem Nasir. Ahmad Jibril, Eham. All these guys sent the correct answer in the chat. Okay, so the answer for this one is a printer. The answer for this question is a printer. Let me write the spelling there. It's Printer. So, moving towards the question number six or the hint number six. What does hint number six is saying? The hint number six is telling us about dash is used to select icons on the screen. Okay, there are some small icons like computer, like games icon. When we click on them, our game will start. So which device we use to click on the icon? There are some small pictures. You see, uh, recycle bin. There are some folders. So which device we use to select icon on the computer screen? Tell me the name of that device. Okay. Yes, yeah, Khalid, you sent that one. Yes, you are right. Okay. So the name of that device is very easy because as I told you that these are the basic devices to use. I took the name of two devices. Without them, it is not possible to use computer. So Abdul Hamid Ahmad, Jihad Muhammad, Ahmad Jibrail, Ahmad Muhammad, Yad Khalid, Jihad Al Sayyed, Abdullah Al Julum, Ahmad Jibrail, Hamza, Eham. All these guys sent the correct answer in the chat. The name of that device starts with M. The name of that device starts with M. So now let's see who is going to give the answer for the question number six. The name of that device starts with M. It's very easy. It's very easy. Abdul Ghaffar, are you listening to me, Abdul Ghaffar? Abdul Ghaffar, are you there? Ahmad Mohammed, are you listening to me, Ahmad Mohammed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ahmad, can you tell us a device through which we can select the icons?
Okay, mouse.
Mouse. Can you tell us a spelling?
Okay, Mouse.
Okay. So Ahmad Muhammad told us about the spelling of mouse. Let's ask someone else. So that let's see. Adam Farag. Ahmad Farag, are you listening to me? Adam Farag, are you there? Say yes or no. Ahmad Awal. Ahmad Awal, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Ahmad, can you tell us the spelling of mouse?
Okay. Mouse.
Good, that's great. So Abdul Ghaffar and Ahmad Awal both told us the correct spelling. And I also took the name of those students who sent the correct answers. Very well done to all of you guys. It's mouse. We use mouse to click on icon because in computer, whatever we have to do, playing game, watching video, playing YouTube, playing open Google, playing opening Facebook, whatever we are doing, we can do with the help of mouse in the computer. Okay. So the question or the hint number 7 is dash is used to record our voices. Remember, there are two things. There are two things. The wrong answer is speaker. Speaker is a wrong answer because speaker are not used to record our voices. So what is the thing which is connected with the speaker and we say the things in that thing and that thing sends our message to speaker. What do we call that thing? There are two answers for that. One is the long word and the other one is the short word. These are the hints for that word. There is one more hint. The name of that device starts with M. The name of that device starts with M. There are two forms. One form is full and the other form is small. Okay. So that's great. Abdul Hamid Ahmad, Jihad Muhammad, Abdullah Al Julum, Ahmad Jibril, Ahmad Muhammad Iham, Kareem Muhammad, Abdullah Al Julum, Jihad Al Sayyed, Ahmad Jibril, and Hamza. Hamza, kindly check the spelling, please. Your answer is correct, but kindly check the spelling. Okay. So the name of that device starts with M. Okay, let's see. Who is there? Hamza Walid. Hamza Walid, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hamza, can you tell us the name of that device which we use to record our voice?
Camera.
Camera. We record our voice with the camera.
Oh,
Any other thing? Camera starts with C. I gave you the hint. The name of that thing starts with M.
monitor.
No, we can record our voice with monitor. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, that's a nice try. Let's see. I will come to you again. Kareem Nasir. Are you listening to me, Kareem?
Yes, sir.
Kareem, can you tell us the name of that thing which used to record our voice?
Microphone.
Oh, excellent. Excellent. What is the short form of microphone?
Mic.
Mic. That's great. That's great. Excellent. So, see, everybody see, Kareem Nasir told us about the answer that microphone is used to record our voice, and he also told us about the short form. Okay. So, Jihad Al Sayyed. Jihad Al Sayyed, are you listening to me? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the spelling of microphone?
Microphone.
Okay. Excellent.
Microphone.
Excellent. Excellent. This is a difficult spelling. Very good, Jihad. Excellent. Okay. So let's ask the spelling from Al Humam. Al Humam, are you listening to me? Al Humam,
Yes,
are you
sir.
there? Can you tell us a spelling
Yes.
of microphone like Jihad
Uh,
told us?
M-I-C.
Yes. MIC
R-O.
RO. What about phone?
Uh, Phone.
NE. Good. Excellent. That's good. So, Al Humam and Jihad Al Said also told us about the spelling of microphone, including them. There are some more students who sent the answer in the chat. It's Ahmad Usama, Kareem Mohammed, Hamza. Okay. So now the last one on the page number 35. The last hint or the last one is Dash is a device which displays processed data. Our game is a processed data. Our file is a processed data. Whatever we are doing on our computer, we can see the result on which thing. We can see the result on which thing. So, can you tell me the name of that device which is used to see the processed or the last data? Processed data means the result, the output, the final data. Okay. So, which device shows us a final data? The name of that device starts with again M. Okay. So, let's see. It's Eham, Jihad Al Sayyed, Jihad, okay. Jihad Al Sayyed, Ahmad Jibril, Abdullah Al Julum, and Kareem Muhammad, Ahmad Muhammad, Ahmad Usama. Okay, that's good. So, Abdullah Julum, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of that device?
Monitor.
Oh, excellent. That's good. Okay. So, what is the spelling of monitor? Can you tell us?
Yes.
Okay.
Monitor.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So, Abdullah told us about the spelling. Let's ask the spelling from Ahmad Jibril. Ahmad Jibril, can you tell us the spelling about of monitor?
Yes.
Okay.
Monitor.
Okay, excellent. That's good. So Abdullah Al Jalum and Ahmad Jibril, both tell us about the correct spelling. Excellent, you guys done the great job. And both of you guys told us about the correct spelling. It's Abdullah and the Ahmad Jibril.
Sir, sir, can I
So
tell you something?
what happened? Okay. So
Sir, in
so let me write it and then we will ask you the question. Okay. So the answer for this one is monitor. The answer for this one is monitor. So now my question is everybody, everybody of you are done writing these answers in the book, page number 35. Say yes or no.
yes, 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 sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. So
Roshan, Roshan.
okay, if you guys done writing it, then that's great. And I will also upload these answers class uh, in the class light. After the classes I will upload it also. If you miss that in the class, you can write it from there, but if you write it here, then that's great. Okay, so along with it, the page number 35 is ends. The page number 35 is ends. Now everybody should open the worksheet. There is a worksheet available in the course material. Everybody should open that worksheet, please. There is a worksheet number 1 available in the course material. Everybody open that worksheet. We are going to start or our worksheet for the second term. So the first question of the worksheet number 1 is the keyboard is a dash device. Input, output, or both. You can also give the answer in the form of A, B, and C. That your answer is A, your answer is B, or your answer is C. So it would be more easy for you. Yes, that's good. So Jad Muhammad, Jad Al Sayyed, Ahmad Jibril, and Karim Muhammad. This one is the most easiest question. Most easiest question. That's good, Ayad Khalid, Ahmad Awad. So this one is the most easiest one. Al Humam, that's good. So keyboard is an input device. Keyboard is a input device. Okay, so this is the question number one's answer. Hamza, you are right. Exactly. The keyboard is an input device. Now, question number 2 is on the screen. Keyboard is used to enter dash into the computer. Now, see here carefully. This one is a tricky one, huh? So, the question is telling us about that keyboards or keyboard is used to enter dash into the computer. Words, enter words into the computer, enter data into the computer, or enter numbers into the computer. Okay, so it's Jihad, Al Humam, Kareem, Abdul Aziz, Ahmad Awad, Kareem Mohammed, Jihad Muhammad, Al Humam, Hamza. Okay, that's good. Ayad Khalid, Ahmad Jibrail, Abdullah Al Zulum. Abdullah Al Zulum, can you check your answer, please? Ahmad Jibril, give us the correct answer. Okay, so that's good. The answer for this question is data. The answer for this question is data. It's DATA. Why? Because data consists both the things, the words and the numbers. The words and the numbers. Both are included in words and numbers. So it's a data. So the correct answer for the question number 2 is data. Now, moving towards the question number 3. Moving towards the question number 3. The question number 3 is on the screen. That question is saying that the keyboard helps us. The keyboard helps us to type dash and give commands. So what does keyboard helps us in typing? Typing a words and give command, typing a text to give command and typing a numbers and give command? What do you think? Okay, so it's Jihad Al Sayyad and Jihad Muhammad. Both give the correct answer. Iyad Khalid, Hamza Al Humam, Ahmad Jibril. Excellent, excellent. You guys picked the correct answers. Very good. That's great. Okay. Al Humam, kindly check the answer, please. Ahmad Jibril, you are right. Okay. So the same trick which we used in the question number 2, the same trick we use in question number 2, you can apply that trick in the question number 3 also. See, words and number are included in which thing? If you guess it, then you can tell me the answer. If you guess it, you can tell me the answer. Both these things are included in that. Okay, very good, Abdul Aziz. So the right answer is text. The right answer is text, because in the text, words and numbers both are included. Okay. For example, someone is saying, send me the text message. What does that mean? It means that you can send a message and that message can include the numbers and the letters. Okay. So text means all the things, numbers and letters both. So the right answer for the question number 3 is a text. The right answer for the question number 3 is a text. Now we are moving towards the question number 4. What does question number 4 is saying? The question number 4 is there. The most widely used keyboard is known as the dash. This one is a difficult one, huh? So only one student give the correct answer for this one. It's Jihad Al Sayyed only. Question number 4 answer is sent by the Jihad. Yes, Firas, you are right. You are right. Don't send me that much times the answer. Just write the answer for the once. Okay, so Jihad, Ahmad Jibril. So 3 students till now send the correct answer for this one only. This one is a difficult one question. The most widely used keyboard is known as the dash. It's a fill in the blank. This question is type of fill in the blank. So let's see. Let me give you the hint. The hint is this word starts with Q. Yes, Ammar Khalid, you are right. So 5 students pick the answer without the hint. Okay, that's great. So Kareem Mohammad, Ammar Yasir, Ahmad Jibrail, Jihad Muhammad, and Jihad Al Sayyed. The name of that thing starts with Q. So let's see who can pick this up. Only 5 students pick this one. Oh, okay, Hamza, you pronounce the word correctly, but the spelling, kindly check the spelling. Kareem Mohammad, you are right. Okay, Ahmad Mohammad is also correct. So let's see. Ahmad Jibril, are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for that question?
For this question?
For question number 4, what is the answer for this?
QWERTY.
Oh, excellent. That's good. That's good. So, let's see. Ahmad Jibril give us answer and Kareem Mohammad.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us the answer?
QWERTY.
That's good. Can you tell us the spelling of that thing?
Yes, sir. QWERTY.
Good. Excellent. That's good. That's good, Kareem. That's a really difficult one. You guys give the correct answer. Ahmad Muhammad, Iyad Khalid, Ahmad Usama, Hamza, and Firas Suleiman. Okay. So, Ahmad Awad. Ahmad Awad, can you tell me the answer?
QWERTY.
Okay, yes. It's a quality key. Okay. All of you said the correct spelling. And the spelling for this word is QWERTY. It's a QWERTY keyboard. It's a QWERTY keyboard. Normally, we type it in the caps lock, in the capital. We type it in the capital. We type that word in the capital form. Okay. Now, the question number 5 is on the screen. What does question number 5 is telling us? A question number 5 is telling us that, yes, Abdul Aziz, exactly, that's a standard. That's a standard keyboard format. Excellent, you picked that word. So question number 5. The keyboard has alphabets keys, numbers keys, and the dash keys. Special keys, normal keys, or formal keys. So Ahmed Mohammed, Jihad, Ahmed Jibril, Hamza, Ahmed Mohammed, Iyad Khalid, Ammar Khalid. These students send the correct answer. It's very easy. The name of that key is very easy because there are only 3 types of keys. The one is alphabet, the second is number keys, the third one is very easy. So let's see who else can pick this up. Jihad Mohammed. Yes, you are right, Jihad Mohammed. You are right. Okay, so Ahmad Awad, Al Humam, Kareem Mohammed, Abdul Aziz. Excellent, excellent. Yes, Abdul Aziz, what is the answer?
Special keys.
Special keys. Okay, that's good. So let me ask. Okay, someone's joined the class with the name of Lenovo Tab. Kindly rename your name so that I can call you for the answer. I don't know who that person is. Every time when you join the class, everyone, whosoever joins the class always joins with your original name so that we can communicate. We can talk that who that student is and we can talk. Okay, let's see. So who else? Hamza Walid. Hamza Walid. Are you listening to me, Hamza Walid?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hamza, can you tell me the spelling of special or can you read the spelling of special?
SPECIAL.
No, see it again. See it again and read it again.
S P
Yes.
E C
Good.
I A L.
Good. That's great. That's good, Hamza Walid. It's a special keys. Special keys are there. Okay. On the keyboard, alphabet keys, number keys, and the special keys are there on the keyboard. There are 3 types of keys available. Okay. So now the question number 5. Till question number 5, we are done. There is an assignment available in the class light. There is an assignment available in the class light. Everybody should open that assignment. Okay. Because right now the time of the period is about to be finished in 10 seconds and we will meet in the next class inshallah. So have a nice day everyone. Bye everyone.